Okay, 7 a.m. February 2nd, and this is what we have. Under there is a hot tub. Over there is where I put the 3-foot yardstick. Somewhere underneath that. This is looking out our kitchen window. And this is looking out the laundry room window. And the front. It's about 12 inches there. There's another shot. Fortunately, I don't have to shovel it. We have our people. I have people to do this. It's still snowing lightly. They say maybe another 3 inches. We shall see. We got electricity, so we're okay. We don't need to go anywhere. Check in with you later. Let's see how the exit to the garage would be. Look at this. Practically nothing. Oops. Well, okay. Yeah. See, the crew's been out. Did their shoveling. I guess I'm not going to be using the back patio for a while. Yeah, see, the crew's been out here, man. Somebody's car stuck there.